incredible this morning. We are heading up to Roan Mountain, and I got him all dressed nice and warm. My friends are coming. The sun's out, thank goodness, and it's supposed to get to be 30, but there's a lot of snow and wind, and oh, look at that. We're heading up to get picked up and then go to Station 19 tonight. So I will see you up trail. You can hear the wind. We are climbing up to Roan Mountain. The Crazy Five. And Mako. He loves it. Todd's up here with me. There he is. And there's Mako. He loves it, don't you, puppy? But it's crazy. Yeah, he's amazing. This has probably been the toughest climb to date. Coming out of the shelter, and here's some stairs we're gonna climb up. Just makes you realize how tough you are. This crew I'm hiking with are amazing too. And so is this little boy. But we're doing it. We have about 2.5 miles to get to the top, and the sun's shining. Hallelujah. See you up trail, guys.